Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW tips and tricks, and I just did a video about right-clicking up here and like turning on the transform I call it a little mini docker that you could transform stuff. It tells you positioning. But while that other video is loading, you can turn on a lot of stuff. You can turn on the zoom where like right now, I don't have a zoom because I got my pick tool. I don't have a text. I have to hit hit my text tool. It's right here. Of course, you have to be in text mode to change it, but these are kind of like little mini dockers. Instead of going, if you're working in really close and you want to zoom out, if you want to zoom in, you don't have to go up here because it's not even open. But while I was doing that, I forgot, I forget about it a lot. I'll use it more if I can remember, is parallel drawing. When you open up your 2-point line or a line tool, it comes open right here. If I click on it, it's going to go away. But I click on it. There's a lot of information there. I want 5 lines, so I only need 4 because I'm going to draw one. It's basically a duplicate, 1/2 inch apart. So I drew 5 lines, 1/2 inch apart. If you hold down the control button, you get them perfectly flat. If you want them 0.1 away and you want 12 of them, you just draw 12 of them. Now, a little insight here, because I have used this before, is if you want, it's right here to the left or the right. So if you want your other lines to go down from that, if you want, I got to grab the line tool. If you want them to go from the left, or if you want to go from the right, it'll draw them to the left or to the right. And it'll work with any tool, any drawing tool. My favorite is my 3-point curve line. Look at that. Now, and hold down the control button, and look what you can do with it that fast. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.